here and welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you Patti LaBelle's recipe for mac and cheese. This recipe is also called Over the Rainbow Macaroni and Cheese, and it uses 5 different kinds of cheeses. So to make this recipe, you'll need 1 pound or 16 ounces of elbow noodles, these macaroni noodles, 8 tablespoons of melted butter, half a cup of shredded Munster cheese, half a cup of shredded mild cheddar cheese, half a cup of shredded sharp cheddar cheese, and half a cup of shredded Monterey Jack cheese. You'll also need 2 cups of half and half, 2 large eggs beaten, 1 cup or 8 ounces of Velveeta cheese that you want to make sure is cubed, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and an 1/8 teaspoon of pepper. And you'll also need a baking dish that's been greased or buttered. So let's get started. All right, so first we're going to combine 4 of our 5 cheeses into one bowl. So we're going to start with our half a cup of Munster cheese. Go. And next, our half a cup of mild cheddar cheese. Half a cup of sharp cheddar cheese. And half a cup of shredded Monterey Jack. And mix this all together. And set it aside. And next we're going to take our 16 ounces or our 1 pound of freshly cooked elbow noodles and put them in a large bowl. And we're going to add 8 tablespoons of melted butter. And stir. And go ahead and stir this up. Make sure all the noodles have some butter. Go. And now we're going to add 2 cups of half and half. And our 2 beaten eggs. And mix that up. Good. And we're going to take our cheese mixture from before and add half of it to our noodles. And mix that in. And we're going to add in our Velveeta cheese. So we want to add all of our Velveeta cheese in, and it's in small cubes. And our 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and our 1/8 teaspoon of pepper. And mix that all together. And now we're going to pour our macaroni and cheese into a baking pan. And you want your baking pan to be about 13 by 9, and you want it to be greased or buttered. And we're going to take the rest of our shredded cheese from before and sprinkle it on top. And now we're going to bake this in the oven at 350 degrees for about 30 minutes or until the sides start to bubble. Here is our over the rainbow mac and cheese fresh out of the oven. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and thanks for watching. Bye!